Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to fix signal RGB not detecting your devices so your lights actually sync the way they're supposed to. So let's jump right in. First thing you should check is compatibility. Not every RGB device works with signal RGB. So to check, you want to open the app and go to devices. Then from here, you want to confirm that your exact fan, strip, or any equipment is supported. If it isn't here, well, Signal RGB simply won't see it. And that's not a bug, it's just a limitation. Next, you want to close all other RGB software. Programs like Armory Crate, RGB Fusion, or any other motherboard lighting apps can block Signal RGB from detecting devices. So to check, just open your task manager. Then from here, you want to make sure none of them are running in the background. And if you see one, you want to right click on it and just choose End Task. Simple. And then what you can do next is you want to run Signal RGB as an admin. So just go to Signal RGB, right click, and choose Run as Administrator. Right now, since this allows RGB to run as an admin, this fixes detection issues for a lot of users. Then you'll also want to check your physical connections. Many RGB controllers need a USB connection to your motherboard and not just an RGB header. So make sure the USB cable is plugged in properly. So try different USB header if needed and avoid USB splitters. Plug it directly into the motherboard if you can. Now finally, you want to open Signal RGB settings and make sure partner or permissions are enabled, since this allows the app to communicate properly with your hardware. And that's about it. If you do all of this, most detection problems should be resolved. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!